So here's a really simple way I've been keeping up with maintenance on my car. I live in an apartment and I don't have my own hose. And I'm actually a pretty lazy person, so I don't go to the car wash that much. But all you really need is some easy detailing. I'm not even sure what these are called. Just like a spray and wipe off detailing solution. I use Suds Lab just because I've been using it for a while and I get it at Walmart for pretty cheap. And I've only had good experiences with it, but there's a bunch of other brands out there that they basically do the same thing. So you can get yourself these, and I also have a ceramic spray sealant, obviously for some dirt and, just for rain and stuff. Helps the water beat off better. It's just a ceramic spray. And then I've got a bunch of clean microfiber cloths. These are from Costco, so nothing crazy. And all you do is you just spray and wipe off. It's pretty easy. So I have a really big problem with my car, is I get these stains because I don't have mud flaps yet, and I definitely need to get some, but my tires kick up a bunch of crap off the ground, and you can see here all the dirt that gets kicked up on the side trim as well, and I usually just clean it with this. I will add though, obviously, you probably don't want to do this if there's a lot of large physical debris on your car. I know there's big arguments about it, but oh shit, twin. You don't want to do it when there's big debris because you're just smearing the debris on your car, right? If there's genuine rocks and large dirt particles, you're just smearing that around. But otherwise, it's perfectly safe. Wipe on, wipe off. I think it's a pretty good. I will say just be mindful to switch sides pretty often because you can see how much dirt I have. Because it's waterless, right? You're not washing this, so you are eventually just going to smear that dirt back on. So just be mindful of that, and just flip your rag over a few times as you clean. And that's honestly it. You can see how good it's working. I don't know how good it's just going to show up on video, but this is looking 1,000 times better. And I'm going to be completely honest with you. This cleans a lot better than just the spray, at the car wash. That's good for clearing large dirt and bugs and stuff. Even some bug stains, that's not clearing anything. But nothing's better than elbow grease. So I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of comments about how I probably want to clean top to bottom. I don't really care too much. I'm not babying this car that much. It's not like a Bugatti. It's not a brand new Beamer, brand new Porsche. The paint's gonna get fucked up regardless. The modern cars, especially these Korean cars, have really thin paint. So I can't change the inevitable, but I can at least try my best. So nice, and that's about it. Looks brand new. So I think at this point, I'm probably going to give up on this rag because this is pretty dirty. I could probably use, this side a little bit more to get the bottom trim. I'll probably do that on the other side too. So this is already dirty. I can just hit the bottom trim on this side. Because this part's plastic, I don't care too much about this. And there we go. Sacrificial rag. I also have this side too, right? If you really want to. This side just doesn't have the I don't even know what this is called, the actual texture, the fibers, as the other side, but it cleans just as well, So I usually use this side for mirrors. and side view and stuff. I just do that, hit it really quick. And this stuff, yes, this stuff does work on glass. See, most of them work on glass. And plastic and interior. I mean, this stuff's amazing. You can use it on whatever. Probably hit this too. It's pretty easy. See, I got on my windshield a little bit. Get this dust off. But I do use a glass cleaner, like an actual glass cleaner as well, for my windows. But probably do that after at some point. And there we go. So it's basically it. And then ceramic is the same exact concept. To spray on, wipe off. I mean, the instructions are literally, you know, apply 2 to 3 sprays per panel using a clean, dry microfiber towel. Buff in linear motions to provide even coverage. Flip towel over and wipe it off, buff it off. So it's very simple. And I usually, yeah, ceramic sprays are better after you actually fully wash the car and stuff. But again, I'm not too worried. You know, I'm not babying this car that much. So I don't mind. You know, I don't need a perfect wash, but just hit just a tiny bit here. This stuff smells really good too, so. I missed this spot earlier, well. Get over. And there you go. Easy peasy. Didn't take much effort, you know, just elbow grease. I mean, I am sweating a little bit. It's hot, and but that's about it. This is how I clean my car, you know, on the fly. If I'm lazy and I don't want to go, you know, actually wash it at a car wash or anything, and this does a really good job. You know, you just, like I said, be mindful. Flip your rag over, get a clean rag. If in doubt, just use a new clean rag. And you can hit the whole car with this, basically. Literally every single piece of it can clean with this. I mean, obviously not your wheels. But yeah, that's it.